I'm so sorry I'm late. Excuse me, I'm so sorry, but I have a question. I don't really understand. I'm sorry, I don't really think I can do yoga. I'm really not that flexible. I'm really sorry, I'm just not that flexible. I'm so sorry I had to cough. I'm sorry to bother you, but I have to ask you something. Do you spend a lot of your time apologizing? I know it can be such a common thing that we all do. And today's Mindful Monday is about encouraging you to pay attention to your language and to change your language to match how you want to feel about yourself. When we apologize all the time, in essence, we are saying, I'm sorry for who I am and for showing up the way that I am. When we change our language to remove apologies, we're giving ourselves more confidence, more strength. Some of it is about changing the language. When you're running late, for example, you can simply say, thank you for being patient. If you have to cough, you could say, thank you for understanding. I'm not feeling well today. Instead of saying, I'm sorry to bother you, simply saying, I have a question. May I interrupt? There is a big correlation between the language that we use and how we feel about ourselves and how we show up and look to others and how we, what presence we have to others. And so this week, I want to encourage you to practice changing your language. Instead of saying, I'm sorry I'm late, say thank you for your patience. Instead of saying, I'm sorry I don't understand, simply say, can I ask you a question? Notice how to change your language instead of consistently apologizing. It will change how you feel on the inside, and it will change how you show up on the outside. I'm Krista Oakes. Thank you for listening today. I hope you have a beautiful day. Namaste.